English cooking verbs practice. Pinch. She pinched some salt into the soup. She pinched some salt into the soup. Squeeze. Squeeze some lemon into the cup. Squeeze some lemon into the cup. Pour. She poured a cup of tea for her friend. She poured a cup of tea for her friend. Knead. Can you show me how to properly knead bread? Can you show me how to properly knead bread? Mash. I used a potato masher to mash potatoes. I used a potato masher to mash potatoes. Roll out. Roll out the dough to make cookies. Roll out the dough to make cookies. Grate. I always grate cheese over my pasta. I always grate cheese over my pasta. Chop. Cook is chopping onion for an omelet. Cook is chopping onion for an omelet. Sift. Sift the flour before adding it to the cake batter. Sift the flour before adding it to the cake batter. Break. Break an egg into the mixing bowl. Break an egg into the mixing bowl. Grill. My brother knows how to grill delicious. My brother knows how to grill delicious. Boil. I eat boil egg for breakfast. I eat boil egg for breakfast. Whip. I whip the pancake batter for fluffier pancakes. I whip the pancake batter for fluffier pancakes. Grind. She used a mortar and pestle to grind the pepper. She used a mortar and pestle to grind the pepper. Peel. Can you help me peel the potatoes? Can you help me peel the potatoes? Toss. Can you show me how to toss the dough for the pizza? Can you show me how to toss the dough for the pizza? Roast. Roast chicken is a popular dish. Roast chicken is a popular dish. Steam. Steaming food is a healthy cooking method. Steaming food is a healthy cooking method. Taste. It's important to taste the salt before adding it to the dish. It's important to taste the salt before adding it to the dish. Melt. Butter will melt quickly when exposed to heat. Butter will melt quickly when exposed to heat. Blend. I like to blend fruits to make a delicious smoothie. I like to blend fruits to make a delicious smoothie. Fry. She knows how to fry eggs perfectly. She knows how to fry eggs perfectly. Thanks for watching.